Hi everyone, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me for a girls' night out. Makeup products that I'm gonna be using are from Amrij Cosmetics. Selfie Ready liquid foundation, and I'm gonna add some Selfie Ready liquid highlighter. I just use foundation as a concealer. This is the powder. It comes with this sponge and this small cute mirror. Amrij Cosmetics in the shade 12. Okay, so this is very pigmented, so you need a very little amount. So now I'm gonna add some highlighter, little amount, like this. Blend it with your fingers. Always add some highlighter to your eyelids right here. It looks very nice. I'm gonna complete my look with this lip pencil and matte lipstick. Lipstick is my second favorite thing after blush.